Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Aspire MBA Exam Mentor. So in this video I'm going to talk about the XAT exam, which is the Xavier's Aptitude Test. So the XAT 2021 notification is out. So let us know more about this exam. So here are the important dates for the XAT 2021 exam. The exam is going to be conducted on 3rd Jan 2021 on Sunday, and the duration of the exam is 3 hours. It will be conducted online from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and the registrations for the exam has already started on 12th of September, and it will go on till the 30th of November, which is the last date to register for the exam. So there is enough time to register, but I would still recommend that those who have already made up their mind or sure to appear for this exam, they should register as soon as possible to avoid last minute glitches. And the admit card for the exam can be downloaded from 20th of December, and like rest of the management entrance exams, this exam will also be conducted online. So now let us look at the structure of the exam. The entire test is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 consisting of verbal and three sections: verbal and logical ability, decision making, quantitative ability and data interpretation, while the part 2 of the exam consists of the general awareness section. So overall there are four sections in this exam. The only distinct feature of XAT 2021 is the decision making section, which is only asked in this exam, and it is not asked in any other entrance exam. And like CMAT and SNAP, we also have general awareness section being asked in this exam, but the score of general awareness section is not going to be counted in your overall percentile. So even if you are not very good with general awareness, there is nothing much to worry, since the score would not be counted in the final percentile or final score of your exam. And also this exam has a negative marking, 1/4 negative marking for a wrong answer, and you will get 1 mark for a correct answer. So not only XLRI Jamshedpur, but there are also many other reputed top B schools in the country accepted XAT scores, like SP Jain, Great Lakes, IMT Ghaziabad, TAPMI, KJ Somaiya, Wellinker, Goa Institute of Management, MICA Ahmedabad. So there are many institutes who are accepting XAT scores. So those who are already appearing or going to appear for CAT exam this year, I would recommend that they register for this exam and appear for it, as well as the difficulty level of both XAT and CAT is moderate to high. So if you are appearing for CAT exam, you should definitely appear for XAT as well, as with the help of this exam you might enter the B school you are wishing for. And one more thing which is beneficial to appear for XAT is, whereas in CAT 2.5 lakh candidates appear, in XAT there are around 75,000 candidates appearing. So if you look at the competition, it is relatively much more less competition in XAT as compared to CAT. So to register for the exam, you have to visit the XAT website, which is the www.xatonline.in. And one good thing about XAT exam is that the eligibility is only that you should have a recognized bachelor's degree of minimum 3 years of duration in any discipline. Like other exams wherein you are being asked to get a minimum 50% in your bachelor's degree, you don't need a 50% aggregate to appear for this exam. So this is the advantage and benefit of appearing for the XAT exam, as the eligibility is not very high, and the registration fee is rupees 1750 without late fee if you are registering it before 30th of November, And for those candidates who are applying for the programs of XLRI, like they have a PGDM in business management, they have a PGDM in human resource management. So if you are applying for those programs as well, you have to pay an additional fee of rupees 300. So the cost will go up. The registration fee will go up if you are applying for their programs. So thank you for listening to me and watching this video. You can follow us on Facebook page, which is the Aspire MBA, and also follow us on Instagram. Instagram handle is Aspire MBA EDU, where I keep posting daily the important questions asked in exams, and also the questions which might come in the exam. So the links for my social media handles are given in description, and also the link to download the latest paper, which is the XAT 2020 paper, is being given in the description. Thank you and all the best.